Hey guys, it's Maine from Breakout. In this video, I'm going to talk about trailing your stop loss like a pro. So there's two main things that I'm trying to do when I'm trailing my stop loss. One, I'm protecting my capital and locking in my gains. And two, I'm trying to allow myself to ride a trade as long as the trend is in my favor. So let's assume that you long Bitcoin down here and you had your initial invalidation below these lows. Well, once price starts moving in your direction, there is no reason why you have to keep your stop loss all the way down here. Remember, your stop loss goes where your trade idea is invalidated. So as price makes higher highs and higher lows, in theory, every new higher low becomes your new invalidation. You could trail your stop loss up along with market structure. How does this protect our capital and lock in our gains? Well, if for some reason price were to reverse here, instead of losing the full amount that we initially would have lost on a stop out, our stop has now been trailed into profit. We've locked in some gains. We've protected some capital. Also, as long as price continues to make bullish market structure, I can continue to ride this trend, and I'm trailing my stop up with each higher low. And eventually, if one of these higher lows fails, I probably want to be out of that trade anyways. One other thing I want to talk about when it comes to trailing stops is trailing your stop loss to break even and why I think that's a bad idea. Let's assume you're taking a long and your entry is here. As soon as price starts moving away, you take your stop loss and you move it to break even. Why is that a bad idea? Because your stop loss goes where your trade idea is wrong. Your entry, in this case, is at support. So if price were to come back down here to your entry and then bounce again, you shouldn't be surprised. Your entry is support, and that's why it would be a bad idea to put your stop loss there. I'm sure you've seen this countless times where you trail your stop loss to break even, you get stopped out at break even, only for price to continue in the direction you thought it was going to go. That's why I believe trailing your stop loss to break even is a bad idea. So hopefully this helps. I'll be coming out with some more of these quick hitter educational videos. If you got anything you want to see, leave them in the comments below.